What's up people, Martin Unix here, and today I'm going to bring you another educative episode. Today I'm going to show you on how to do diminishing infinity braid bun on dreadlocks. Guys, I hope you find this tutorial stimulating and enjoyable, as well as being instructive. So guys, I hope this will take you forward as a creative thinker. Thank you. Karibuni. So now guys, we are going to kick off styling the diminishing infinity braid bun, and we are going to kick off by pulling all the strands to the middle ponytail, that is. So I want to advise you guys, you stay tuned as I walk you through this journey. So now guys, we are going to secure, you see here at the center, the ponytail now. Now guys, we are going to pull some 2 strands at the front because we are going to make a style at the front. We are going to make a bang, small bang at the front using 2 strands. We shall deal with them later guys. Now at the middle of the ponytail guys, we are going to section our ponytail into 3 sections. Three sections guys. The sections should be visually equal. It's not a must you count the strands guys. First section. The first section guys. First section. So now guys, since I'm doing temporary color, I'm going to cover the rest of the strands so that the dye doesn't spread on them. That is like that. Now this is our color guys. So now guys, this is the section without color. Now we are going to kick off with this one. I'm going to show you on how to come up with the infinity braid. So the infinity braid is gonna be diminishing, that way it will be reducing in size. So we are going to start with 4 sections, we come to 3 sections, then 2 sections, then we are going to finish off with a barrel roll at the end. That will be 1 section, that is. So now join me guys as we kick off the whole thing. So you're just going to section the 4 sections blindly without counting the strands guys, just by the look of the eye. You see, these are our sections, 1, 2, then the 3rd section and the 4th one. Then I'm gonna hold them in place. So we are going to kick off by picking 1 strand from this side. We pick this strand. It's normally formed by, for me, a finger 8. Under the first section, over the second section, under the third section, and then over the the last section, that is, see. Then upon reaching the end of the last section, you wrap your strand under the last section. It will come over the second section from last, then under the third section, then where we began it will be over the third section, that is. Then you repeat like that, over, under, over, until the strand's head. Now you'll find that our strand has gone up to the last section, that is, guys. So you pick another strand here, but before you pick another strand, you can adjust. You can try and adjust the bottom, just to make the whole thing firm. So you pick a strand here, you roll it over just to secure the ending strand. You roll it over, then you come hunter, then over, then hunter, then over the final strand. That way, guys, over up to that level. Then our strand ends here again. Pick another strand, guys. You secure the tip, over, and over again. That way, guys. Then our strand ends here. You pick another strand here. You secure the tip, that level, over, and over. That way, guys. And that's the way to go, guys. Now upon reaching this part, guys, you can see I'm left with two strands here. You see, all the strands which we have been wrapping over and hunter are coming to an end here. So now we are going to change our system into 3 sections now, guys. So after picking after securing the final strand here, we are going to section. We are going to section these into 3 sections, guys, like that. 3 sections. You see? Come over. Upon reaching this section, guys, you can see our strand ends here. You pick another strand from this side just to reinforce and secure the ending strand, like that, guys. Then wrap it over and hunter, over again, hunter, until here. Once more, pick another strand from this end, secure the ending strand, like that. Remember now, guys, we are doing 3 sections. This is the way to go about it. The 3 sections, guys. Now our tip is ending from this side. Pick strand from this side, secure, rub it over and under until its end. Guys, pick another one, secure, rub it over the middle section, under the first section, over the first section, under the middle section, over the last section. Pick this one. Now this version of style, guys, is just done by hunting loc strands to the style on your way, like forever, guys. It's kind of repetition. Now upon reaching this section, guys, we are going to change our pattern into two sections in Infinity Braid, and this is the way to go about it, guys. You pick this strand, you secure the ending tip, then subdivide the middle section into two, so that we can remain with two sections. And this is the way to go about it. The ends there, you pick strand here, secure the ending tip, and your journey continues, guys, like that. You pick strand here, you wrap it over and turn over, then it ends there. Now this time around our strand ends on this particular side, so we are going to pick a strand from this side and secure it from this side, like that. As you see, another strand ends here, then you pick strand like that, guys. You see the way to go about it. This time around strand ends on this section, you pick a strand from this section like this, guys. Secure the ending tip. That way, guys. Now, guys, I know you can take note of the decrease in volume of our Infinity Braid, as it nears the head. Now that's the reason why we are calling it a diminishing, because it's reducing volume from the base to the head. Now here we are going to finish it off by doing one section that is like that, guys. You might also call it barrel roll. So final section, guys, that way. Just secure it. To the hand, guys. Just going to secure these tips, guys. The way to go about it. That way, guys. See now, guys, this is our diminishing in Infinity Braid. We are yet to do the band, guys, so we are going to make the other sections the same as this one. So now, guys, we are going to apply the edge control at the hairline, just to hold the loose hair at the front. Guys, if you are new here on my channel, kindly subscribe, like my work, comment positively, and share to your friends. Now guys, you're going to pull in this tip here using crochet just to disguise its appearance there, as well as observing neatness. That's the way to go about it. Then we tuck it inside there. We are going to do the other strand. Take it inside here. That way, guys. Now guys, we are going to add some ornaments. Guys, if you are new here on my channel, kindly subscribe, like my work, comment positively, and share to your friends. Now guys, as you can see, now we are through with the whole thing. We are through with making the Infinity Braid. Now we are I'm going to show you on how to do the bun. And by doing so guys, I'm going to kick off by starting with this section. I'll just fold it over like that, you see, and lay down the tip like that at that far end. Then we pick this section here, see guys, this section, we roll it over, securing the previous tip from the first section have to the end there. Then we are going to pick the current part, guys. We secure the second section using the current part, then we tuck it in like that way, guys. Now I'm going to use thread or yarn, that is, to secure my bun tightly so that it can last for quite longer time. Guys, if you are new here on my channel, kindly subscribe, like my work, comment positively, and share to your friends. It's wow, guys. It's amazing. It's a captivating look. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I hope it has been educative. So I would like to request you guys to like my work, comment, and share to your friends. And let's be creative, guys. Let's keep on being creative and save the coming generations. Thank you, guys.